What you got, baby? What you eating? Some meat? I'm gonna put some snacks up there for you. I don't know what to put. But you're gonna have some delicious snacks up there. Yes, you are. You eating a mouse? Look at you. You're so beautiful, baby. I need to clean that fence. I need to actually clean the fence. Hey, baby. How are you, my lovely? It's so beautiful. You're so beautiful, baby. Look at you. You're so gorgeous. Yeah, I know, right? What's up with the slamming? If I do it, I get the cops called on me. If I slam a fucking door around here. Look at you. You're so gorgeous. I gotta pee so bad, but I just want to stare at you all day. I see you. There's no way you don't see me. I know you see me. You know I usually have my window open too. So usually that's the first thing I do. Oh, baby, no! Come back.